Hello and welcome. Today we will talk about cleaning your soldering iron. You should clean your tip often during use. There are many cleaning solutions and the cheapest and some say best is a damp sponge. Just rub the soldering iron tip on it and after each solder connection and you will be good to go. As you can see, this is a sponge, damp sponge, and this is the tip before cleaning, and this is the tip after cleaning. As you can see, it did a very great job, even though it cost nothing. Some solder stations come with a little pad at the base of the holder. As you can see here, this is the iron or soldering iron holder, and this is the base. If you have one of these, you should get into the habit of whipping the tip on the pad each time you apply solder with it, to keep it clean and to avoid damaging the tip. If you need to clean solder off a circuit board, solder wick is what you need. This is solder wick. You place the wick on the joint or track you want to clean up and apply your soldering iron on top. The solder melts and is drawn into the wick. If there is a lot of solder, the wick will fill up. So gently pull the wick through the joint and your iron, and the solder will flow into it as it passes. So it's a very easy and effective way to clean the board and the soldering iron. Next, we'll talk about some tips and tricks in soldering job, but for this lesson, that's it. Make sure to clean your soldering iron efficiently and frequently to avoid damaging the tip and to avoid damaging the whole soldering iron. Keeping your soldering iron clean will ensure that you will have an efficient soldering job over the time. Thanks for watching this lesson. This is Educational Engineering Team.